Today we're making oxtail curry or curried oxtail. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by marinating our oxtail. It's already been trimmed and washed. And to season, I will be using some salt, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, and some oxtail seasoning. I will also be using fresh green seasoning, so you want to combine your dry seasonings. Then you want to add it to the oxtail along with your fresh green seasoning. Get in there with your hands and mix until everything is well combined. Once done, cover and allow it to marinate overnight. Now let's prepare our curry paste. Here I have some curry powders, geera, masala, and turmeric. Add some water to that and mix into a paste-like consistency. You want to set that aside, and here into my preheated pot I will add some onions, garlic, chili peppers, and some thyme. Give that a stir, allow to go for about a minute or so, and then in with that curry paste. You want to stir this well and allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, cooking the curry thoroughly before we add any other ingredient. Once the curry is fully cooked, we will now follow up with that seasoned oxtail. We will give it a good toss, make sure it's well coated with the curry paste, and you just want to allow this to go for a good 5 to 8 minutes or so. You can flip it over and allow those flavors to become nicely infused into the oxtail. After about 8 minutes, you want to cover it and allow it to release its moisture. Once the moisture is released, this is how it will look. Remember, it is oxtail and it will not produce a lot of liquid because it's mostly bones. It's not like when you cook in chicken or any other meaty kind of, protein. So now we will allow the juices to evaporate. Once it evaporates, we will add some hot water and we will just allow that to simmer on low heat until the oxtail is nice and tender. It will take about 2 to 3 hours or so. After about 2.5 hours, this is what we have here. I like my oxtail tender but not falling off the bone. So this was perfect for me. Now we will freshen up the pot. I will add some potatoes. We will add some onions, garlic, scallion, parsley, a little bit of habanero peppers, and some seasoning for flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. Give that a little stir, cover, and allow it to go until the potatoes are nice and tender and the sauce has thickened. And that's it. Our oxtail curry or curried oxtail is finally done. It smells and looks absolutely divine and I cannot wait to dig in. My mouth is literally watering. So now let me plate this up and share the reveal and the finished product. So today I served this with some plain brown rice and a fresh cucumber tomato salad. Let me tell you, this was amazing. Chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.